wish my mother did.
Mm-hmm. That's just how Santa is.
Yeah. Grandma, some dinosaurs get presents from Santa and some don't.
That's right.
Some dinosaurs start fighting each other, biting on each other, and Santa says, no, dinosaurs, no presents for you, only the good ones.
Mm-hmm. That surely is what Santa says.
But I don't actually think that Santa was around in the dinosaur time periods.
Oh, okay. Why you say that?
Because humans weren't around when dinosaurs were.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot.
But Grandma, did you know some creatures that look unexplainably weird,
Mm-hmm.
like the big tooth tuskosaurus thingy.
Mm-hmm.
And thingy is really in its name.
Oh, okay.
It sounds like an elephant, but it doesn't look like an elephant. It looks like a mutant elephant.
A mutant elephant?
Yeah.
Oh.
It goes like brrr, but sometimes it goes like rah, and sometimes it goes like
Mm.
and sometimes it sounds like a tiger, like and that's the same way how a lion sounds like.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes it sounds like a cheetah.
Really?
That's a little surprising.
Yeah. It really is.
And sometimes it sounds like a snake. Sometimes it sounds like a wolf.